Hey money making kit, today I'm going to show you how to make $3 per app you download, and I'm going to show you how to do that. I'm going to show you the site to go to download and get $3 per app. You can see right here that is $3 per playing and testing iPhone apps, and in this extra $1 again after downloading the app. That's about $4 doing that same thing. $4 for just one single app. Watch out for the video. Just imagine $3 just for one single app, an additional $1 for installing that app. That's extremely awesome. This is very fresh strategy. This is very fresh website. This is very fresh way to earn money just by downloading app. So before we start this video, make sure you click the subscribe button right here. Make sure you click the subscribe button right here, because I drop new fresh video on how to make money online almost every single day. And after doing that, make sure you turn on the notification bell on, so I will send you a notification whenever I have a new fresh strategy, a new fresh idea, a new trick, a new website, or a new app on how to make money online. And you're going to be the first person to try the trick out, and you're going to earn the highest part of the money before it gets activated. Then you're going to be a step ahead of competitors. So make sure you turn on the notification bell on right now. So let's start today's video. It's very simple. Today's video is going to be a simple website to do all these things. This is the app here. I'm going to calm down and review every single thing, every single step to do in this app. I'm going to calm down and do that for you. So just calm down, watch this video from the beginning to the end, so you're going to catch how everything is moving on. Okay, so this app, you can see it right here. App reviewer earn $1 by writing honest app review and earn $3 by playing and testing iPhone apps. So you're going to earn $3 by playing and testing the app, and you're going to be earning $1 for writing honest review. The review is not going to be like you are writing essay. It's just a very simple review. Just normally download on iPhone. You can normally download Google Play Stores. You can see the review is just simple review of the app. You can just download this. For you to earn $3, let's say $4 for just one single app. It's very simple. You can take you like 3 minutes. Yes, it's what is, or let's say 2 minutes. It's what is to download the app and play around the app, check it how it works, then send a review to them, and your $4 is very simple like that. And this for app developers. If you are app developer, that's not what we are here for. It lets you get real review and help you build longer term relationship with genuine iPhone users. This is basically for iPhone. So right here you can see paid app for free. So this is another thing you need you to see something right here. This paid ad, you're going to receive paid ad. See, let me move to that side here. This is the side here. You can see paid app for free plus real bonus. They're going to be giving you paid app for free. You're going to be downloading the app that people are paying money for. You're going to be downloading for free, and they're still going to be paying you for that. You can see get paid iPhone app for free, get paid iPhone app for free, earn up to $1 per review app you review. You're going to be earning up to $1, and app purchase and bonus can be credited directly to your PayPal account. This is a paper cash. You can be earning your paper cash directly to your PayPal account, then withdraw it to your local bank. It's very simple, right? Depending on your reviewer payment plan, you can decide when you get your money back. Very simple. So this one is for app reviewer. So you see, for we like this, register your iTunes nickname and PayPal email address with my app. Yeah, so you can just register your app nickname. I'm going to show you the name of the app or the real site of the app. Just calm down. I don't want you to just go straight to the app and do whatever you want, and you come back here and tell me that the website is not working. That's why I don't show you, and I did not forget that I did not show you the name of the site. I'm going to show you before the end of this video. Just watch the video from the beginning to the end and calm down. Okay, this is fine app of interest from our repository, and download it, review it, then act on it. My app review refund back your purchase and reward you up to $1 for per review and action. So the reward you $1 for action, $3 for app download and playing around the app. For app developer, this is really awesome too. Let me just quickly say something about that. Create a campaign by refining your app choosing outrage design. So this is where you're going to know that how they get the money that they give you. So reviewer action may include asking reviewer a specific question about your app, or asking them to follow your Twitter or like your Facebook fan page. You can do that. This is what you can still do to earn money. So our reviewer will download your app, review in App Store, and take action as you specified, right? We help you build longer term relationship with genuine iPhone users and grow your own community. Like, this is a very, very simple and awesome website to do all these things, and they're going to be paying you $4 for single download, right? And they are very awesome. They are actually really awesome. From they launched in 2011 as my app launched 2011 and 2012, 2013. Yes, see the reviewer up to 2,000 reviewers now. 2014, 3,000 reviewers. 2015 to 16, that's 110 reviewers. You see, they are really going so very far. And this is stuff at the 2017 right now, and first now. Then we are in 2020, 21, 22, 23, 24. You can see 2030, they're still going to be going on and going to be paying so many reviewers, right? So App Store is getting, see, welcome to my app reviewer. So let me just show you the app right now. Let me show you the website I'm going to go right now. But before I show you the website, make sure you do something for me, and that's the only thing I want from me. I don't want anything from you. Just hit the like button right now. Give me a thumb up if you are enjoying this video. Give me a thumb up. That's all what I want from you. Me seeing you giving me thumb up, writing in the comment section, that shows that I'm giving you value on all my videos on how to make money online that I post almost every single day. So make sure you always give a like button. You can click the like button right now. It's not going to take you a second. Just hit the like button right now. Thank you for that. And if you have any comments, if you have anything to say, just put it down in the comment section, and I'm going to reply as soon as I see it, and as soon as possible, and as soon as I see the message coming in. So make sure you type in the comment section whatever you want and put MMC. I love you putting MMC, that I'm going to know that you're from Money Making also. So, and make sure you click the like button right now. Thank you for clicking the like button as you do that. So let's go to the name of the app. This is the name of the website. This is myappreviewer.com. I see it in your screen right there, and this is it, myappreviewer.com. Go there and click sign in. You can sign in through Facebook or put in your username and password to sign up, right? It's very simple, and they're gonna accept you as a reviewer right here. If you want to choose as a reviewer, just choose as a reviewer, and they're gonna accept you. It's very simple way to do, and very simple way to make money per app you review, per app you download, per app you talk about, per app you do or play around about. A lot of people just play with app or games or whatever, and they don't know that they can earn with that. So that's all for today's video, and I'm going to see you on the next video. By the left hand side, you can see how to make money online just by selling pictures online. You can sell your selfie picture, any app pictures, you can sell it online and earn a very big money. You can click that video to watch, and at the right hand side there you can see my latest video, my latest trick on how to make money, and that is the latest video right now at the right hand side on latest trick, latest video on how to make money online right there. And at the middle of this video you can see the logo of Money Making Crew. You can over to it to click the subscribe button if you haven't, and turn on the notification bell. See you on the next video. If it's not making money, you know that's not making sense. Money Making Crew. See you on my next video. Peace out.